Take a ride in the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, traction control, voice activated navigation system, rear view camera. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.